Alright, hello everyone. So this would be the fourth tutorial, which is the company's invitation email template. Alright, so go to Outlook, I will guide you, and go to calendar. And then inside the calendar, you notice that there is a few icons here, and you just have to click the new meeting. Alright, so for this new meeting, you don't have to use this link, because if you use this link, there will be two separate teams meeting for the event, and you don't want that to happen, so you delete it. Okay, so go back to the template, copy everything here and paste it here. Okay, and then for the title is the subject, go to here, the same as before, copy and paste it here. So change the session title, and then for the required is the speaker's email, and then for the optional part is where you have to choose the 5 that you have to CC here. Okay, just paste it here. And for the resources, you don't have to, and if you have to include your TA, include your TA's email as well in the optional. Okay, so everything here is okay. You don't have to think, you just check all the emails is correct and click OK. Alright, so everything here is done. And for the start time, make sure that you change it to the correct time, the start time and the end time. The location is Microsoft Teams meeting, and everything here is ITC Galliard. Change to ITC Galliard with the font of 11. And then for the link here, you go back to the email that you sent to the student and paste the link here. The meeting link should be the same as the email sent to the students. Alright, and then don't forget to insert your signature VTEC22 and make sure there's a space between all that, and check everything. Oops, there is an error here, so check again and make sure that you put your cursor below the thank you and have a great day, and put your signature there. There you go, that looks better. And check everything from top to bottom and click send. That is all for the company invitation email.